Good evening. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Saturday, June 6th. Just a reminder again, I will be on vacation until Thursday, so there will be no alerts for the next couple of days. Hopefully, I've timed it right and we should see a nice little retrace in the market while I'm gone. But we just came off one phenomenal week for the newsletter. Just multiple massive movers, just when you think this market, the gains have gotten great, they get even better. Here we're looking at the Dow 15-minute chart. As you can see, we broke out earlier in the week and now we're consolidating on this trend line that goes back a couple of weeks. If we lose 8,700, we are likely looking at a back test again of the breakout, so that would be at 8,600. If we flip over to the daily chart, you can see we broke out of that rectangle formation. I'd said you usually see powerful moves when you see such a move. And on Friday, we were able to close above the 200-day moving average. Quite an accomplishment given all that we've seen in this market over the last few months. One kind of cautionary thing, volume again has continued to slowly drift lower. We did get a spike higher on Friday, but that's just one thing to keep an eye on. The volume's not really there, but we have entered the summer doldrums. All the other indicators are very strong. Stochastics over 80. We've got a very nicely trending higher ADX. RSI is continuing to trend higher, so looks very, very good here. If we are to see a pullback over the next few days, again, support is 8,500 at the 20-day exponential. That 20-day has proven to be rock solid support for the last several weeks. So, we continue to remain bullish as long as we're above that 20-day exponential. Quick mention on the dollar here. We had that head and shoulder breakdown in May on the dollar, and we saw new lows earlier in the week. But over the last 3 days, we've seen a pretty big bounce back in the US dollar right up to the 20-day exponential. Now in head and shoulders formations, what typically happens after you have a breakdown on a head and shoulder, there is always a bounce, and the bounce usually always bounces back to the neckline or the breakdown spot. So we could see another possibly 4 to 5% upside in the dollar over the next few days. RSI looks very good, stochastics look very good, and that is the reason why on Thursday I mentioned that we were going to ease out of our oil plays, because I think we're with the dollar, which is pretty much the only reason commodities are going up right now. The only reason oil is going up is as a play on the dollar, because there's never been so much oil floating around as there is right now. So the fact that the charts are saying we're going to see a bounce or a continuation bounce in the dollar, at least for the next few days, I think we should see oil prices ease off, and that should give an opportunity to move back into those oil plays, which again is why we booked profits on them late in the week. But let's jump into stock plays. Only a couple of stock plays this week just because I'm gone, and these are some of my stronger plays. These ones I think will be very, very nice winners over the next few days. AFT, we have played this one before. We've been patiently sitting in this one. Wireless stock, $5 million market cap, $100 million in revenues. They had an investor conference a couple of days ago. They came out and said they expect a very, very, very strong second half with penny stocks absolutely on fire. The valuation of this company is insane right here. Breakout is a close over 30. Target is a move to the 200-day moving average. That is at 42 cents. We have a very nice uptrend in RSI. We have a very strong ADX. Stochastics are showing nice support and ready for a run here. And, check out the on-balance volume. Just massive buying in this stock over the last 3 or 4 weeks that has yet to really be reflected in the stock price. And I think this is the week we should see AFT explode. Another laggard, forgotten play tech stock is LTRX. As I mentioned in the trading alert, its sector, like many tech sectors over the last few weeks, has been on fire. Its closest competitor is ELON. Since the March lows, ELON is up about 60-70%, and here we have LTRX dead flat in the water. Forgotten play, but very nice chart setup. It's low volume, which is why I said it was a small play, but very nice base. It stopped going down. In this market right now, stocks are not making new lows, which makes plays that have been sitting at their bottom since the March lows very, very attractive at this stage in the rally. Volume was very, very nice on Friday. We got our first breakout of the downtrend line at 47 cents. The move above 50 should set this one free, and we're looking for a move to 65 cents plus. RSI is above 50. We've got a very strong ADX. Stochastics are also in the basement as well, and this is a tech stock that could give very, very nice gains this week. So that's why I was just focusing on a couple of plays while I was gone. As I mentioned in the room, I lightened a bunch of plays, which is what everyone should do when they take a break from the market. But I felt confident enough in both LTRX and AFT to grab these before I went on vacation. So I think these two will be very, very nice winners this week. ACLS, the stock is now up, 200% from our call back in March. We finally got that breakout we were looking for at 50 cents. Next target is a move to 70 cents. Almost hit that in the last 30 minutes of the session on Friday before a pullback. Should see that early Monday. And then next target is a move to the 200-day moving average at 90 cents. All the indicators look fantastic on this stock. It's still trading below its cash value. They've got 70 million plus in cash, market cap of 50 odd million. Very, very cheap. Again, a lot of these penny tech stocks and biotech stocks are running to their cash value, which gives this one very, very nice upside over the next few days. Quick mention on GNBT, huge winner for us again this week. Another 100% winner in a slew of 100% winners. Had a pullback after hitting 115 intraday on Friday. I believe on Sunday they report their diabetes information at the ADA, so we should see a press release Monday, and if so, there'll be a nice little gap on this stock. Likewise, XOMA, a little bit disappointing, was trading $1.40 in after hours on Thursday. They came out, issued more financing, but they got a better price this time, $1.15. These guys are now locked for cash for the rest of the year, and still think this one's got a lot more upside in the near term. So strong support at 1, as it showed in the face of that dilution on Friday. It was able to hold the 1 level, and wouldn't be surprised to see this one snap back this week. So that's it for the video. One quick note, there's a rumor floating around that the Obama administration is going to let a bunch of these banks pay back their TARP money this week. So again, that might be more fuel for them to extend this rally. Right now shorts are just getting bent over the barrel. And, rightfully so. Nothing. They had their year and a half of fun. They tried to play the same game, and now they're pushing the market nicely higher for us. Again, favorite 2 plays going into this week, AFT and LTRX. And that's it for the video. I will see you guys in the chat room Friday next week. Goodbye.